Hello and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to our favorite Disney theme park, Hollywood Studios.
Hollywood Studios!
Now, there's something here that you've never been on, right?
That's right.
It's brand new.
It's this!
Yeah, you got the t-shirt. I stood in line for that t-shirt for like 2 hours.
No, you didn't. I think it was like 20 minutes.
It might have been even just 15. But regardless, this is our last Disney weekend for a while.
Yes.
Due for the, because of it closing down and everything.
Yep.
So let's go inside, have some fun. I said this is my favorite Disney theme park. Now, if you tend to like Universal Studios, I bet you would like Hollywood Studios.
Yeah, a lot of awesome similarities.
Well, for me, I love the movies, so it's no accident like my favorite theme parks has the word studios in it.
That's true.
But if you like one or the other, if you're a fan of Hollywood Studios, you should like Universal Studios and vice versa. Well, we showed off your t-shirt. Can I show off mine? Check it out. Sometimes I get a little bit of grief about wearing my Hufflepuff to Disney. I am trying to wear more yellow Disney shirts. This is the best one I've found so far.
And I found it.
Now the thing is, the ringer is like a blue.
Oh, that's true.
My colors are usually yellow, black, and white.
That's right.
So I still have to go with the Hufflepuff hat. So,
but you also like the yellow underneath.
Yeah. So you can still give me a little bit of grief in the comments below, but not a lot because I am wearing the shirt.
He is trying.
Well, we got here about 2 hours after the gates opened.
Yep.
So, Rise of the Resistance, all gone, no more boarding passes.
To be expected, even with smaller crowds, I think.
And they don't have fast passes for that yet, but they do have fast passes for Runaway Railway, and we have some.
Yay!
And Nikki's gonna go on it for the first time.
I'm excited.
You just got off Mickey's and Minnie's Runaway Railway for the first time.
Yeah.
I have a couple questions for you.
Okay.
First, what is your initial reaction?
It was precious. It was so cute. It was really, like, the technology, the blending of, like, real life, like, sculptures, I guess, or, to the animation, to the movement. I liked it. I like the technology is really, really great.
I lied, I have more than a couple questions.
Okay.
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was, I think, the conga line.
Really?
Or,
the
like
waltz
the
first.
dancing. Yes, the waltz and the dancing, and then, yeah.
It ended with the conga line.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really cute.
Now we're going to do like a full review when I do, because people have asked me how it compares to the Great Movie Ride, what I like better. So
Yeah.
we're actually going to do the Great Movie Ride versus Runaway Railway.
Yeah.
So we'll go into more details when we do that video.
I know which one's my favorite. I won't say it now.
But, like, for example, how long would you wait for this ride? Like in a standby setting?
I honestly wouldn't wait longer than like 45 minutes.
45 minutes? Well,
Yeah, like I wouldn't want to invest any more than that.
Okay. You're more patient than me. But I'm here at theme park so much. My standard wait time is 20 minutes. I'm spoiled. I don't like waiting longer than 20 minutes for anything.
I'm trying to like take Disney into account that everything's like twice as long as how I normally would want it.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, because this is a hard fast pass to get now.
It is. It really is.
But I tell you what, go ahead and make sure you click that subscribe button and the bell notification button, because we will have, during the closure time, Runaway Railway versus the Great Movie Ride.
Yes.
We'll have a winner.
Be interesting.
So this is one of those days where I don't have a big agenda, a set agenda. We're just gonna wander around and have a good time, but I am hungry right now. How about you?
Yeah, I can always eat. You know me.
Well, the thing is, you know what I want?
Tachos?
No.
No, what?
I want pancakes.
What?
I know. I'm in the mood for pancakes. I don't think I can get any at this hour.
So random. Oh my word. Okay.
Well, we can make our way to Tachos, but I really want pancakes.
You're so weird.
So there's a lot of great rides here in Hollywood Studios right now.
Yes.
The only issue is the standby wait so long for them, and it's hard to get fast passes.
Yeah, especially being a pass holder.
But it's an awesome park with awesome rides now. Good job, Nikki, with the mobile order. Save us a little bit of time waiting in line. And the other thing I should note is with the virus concerns, they have added these portable hand washing stations throughout the park. There is one right here by Woody's Lunchbox, as we can wash our hands before we start our lunch. And I should mention, over here by Woody's Lunchbox and kind of near the the washing stations, they do have these like sanitation signs out now. And here's our tachos and portal punch, which I've designed to be a hidden Mickey. So clever.
I did that! You always steal my stuff. Oh my god. If you follow our Instagram, you'll have seen it.
There's one problem with this, Nikki.
What?
I thought we might go over to EPCOT for Flower and Garden and get some stuff to eat.
We can do that too. Desserts.
Desserts in EPCOT. I like the cut of your jib.
Thank you.
Guys, you have this opportunity to watch our pre-dominant patrol in action, so look at this precision. And look at that adorable canine here. Good job, canine.
As always, we do recommend the tachos as a good snack.
Yeah.
But my favorite is this Mystic Portal Punch.
Yes.
It's a Powerade like mountain berry blast
Yes.
with
Lemon, lime, and tangerine.
yes.
It's delicious.
It's the best.
The best.
Let's wander into Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, see what the crowd levels are like. We were talking when we were coming over, how were the crowd levels going to be?
Right.
I said it's going to be Disney crowd levels, which is always busy.
That's true.
And it seems to be that case. Yeah, that seems to be the case.
Yeah, you would never know that the rest of the world is in crisis.
I know, yeah. Well, it is the last weekend to get your theme park fixed, so...
And everybody's doing it.
Yeah, I think the crowds kind of reflect that.
Yep.
Got a couple of stormtroopers on the ground, a couple up there standing watch over us. Like I said earlier in the video, there were no more boarding passes for Rise of the Resistance, and the wait time, the standby wait time for the Smuggler's Run ride is 70 minutes, but single rider is open. All right, since we're here, I mean, everyone knows my Universal Studios girlfriend. Who is it?
Marilyn Monroe.
Yeah. Do you know my Hollywood Studios girlfriend?
Oh, yeah, probably Ray.
It's Ray. Let's go find Ray. Chewbacca's here though. I wonder if he knows where Ray is. Ray's not out.
No.
She better not be like force chatting with Kylo Ren, my arch nemesis.
I don't even know what to say to you half the time.
I know you don't. I know you don't. But I do have a question. Do you think, since we're in here, like we would ever build our own lightsaber or droid?
Maybe when we have like grandkids.
Maybe when we have like a lot of money in the bank. Those things are expensive.
Yeah, exactly.
Highly unlikely we build a lightsaber or a droid. Yes, a lot of great rides here now. So many so, I think I can do a Rick's Top 6 rides at Hollywood Studios.
Yeah.
Put that on my to-do list.
I'm not your Alexa.
I'm kind of sad we're not going to be able to do our favorite ride, our favorite Disney ride anywhere is Tower of Terror. But it's a 55-minute wait. We don't have fast passes. So I think what we're going to do, we'll take the Skyliner over to EPCOT to get that dessert. Now this will be your first, no, it's your second trip on the Skyliner, right?
Yes.
I actually filmed the first time. It just didn't make the cut.
No, it didn't. It was actually pretty funny. I was shocked at how fast it went.
Yeah.
Like it comes in quick, like coming in hot.
But not everything makes the final version of a video. I had to cut that one, Nikki, sorry. Even though people want more Nikki, it ended up on the cutting room floor.
What?
The only other times you and I have been on the Skyliner was when it first opened. It was cooler weather then.
Yep, sure was.
And today it's mid-March and it's already hot.
It is quite a toasty day.
It's really hot. We're talking upper 80s, maybe 90s. So I'm interested to see how it's going to feel on a day like today, a hot day.
All right, let's check it out.
It felt pretty breezy the other days, but I mean the outside temperature wasn't hot, and it is hot. Let's go see. While we're at it, I want you to time it. Let's see how long it takes to get over to EPCOT.
Okay. Wait, I'm not your Alexa.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting. Oh, I do hope I get a yellow one to stay on brand.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now arriving at EPCOT. This concludes your journey aboard the Disney Skyliner. All passengers must disembark at this station.
Okay, so that was a 20-minute ride over here to EPCOT.
Yeah.
How did you feel about the coolness or the heat levels in the ride vehicle?
It was breezy. It was totally fine. I didn't think it was stifling or anything at all.
It was cool. It felt very comfortable.
Very
Very
comfortable.
comfortable.
Yeah.
I think one way was more more breezy than the other.
Okay.
Like if, you know, like, because we switch seats to see.
Yeah, so if you're facing the direction you're going, you get more of the breeze than the person on the going backwards. Because
the air is getting pushed in more.
Yes, exactly.
So that's quite the swing, Nikki, from my favorite Disney park to my least favorite Disney park.
Oh, I like Epcot.
Yeah, that's my least favorite.
I know it is, but I still like it, so yay me.
And I know you were really looking forward to coming to Flower and Garden where I was not. So now you get a little taste of Flower and Garden.
And you get snacks though. I mean, come on.
Oh, I do love snacks. I do love snacks. And from this point on, Nikki is in control, other than I do expect my dessert, my treat. And let me clarify just a bit. I kind of like Epcot. I like Soarin'. I'm going to love the new Galaxy roller coaster. I like hanging out here, but I don't like vlogging here because when I make an Epcot video, you guys don't watch them. I don't get a lot of views for Epcot, so that makes me like it less. From across the way here, the other side of the lake, we can see the blue of the Guardians of the Galaxy roller coaster, indoor coaster. We can see Spaceship Earth, which is supposed to go down sometime soon for a big refurb.
Yes, it is.
And Nikki is not a Mickey ears person, but look at these, Nikki.
I know, exactly. I might have to get one of these. Oh, there's more stuff over here.
These are $30. Like I said, she's not a ears person. She does love the orange bird though.
Okay, I want one of these. It's $39. And I want one of these.
Oh my god, it's a total orange bird section. No wonder you're in heaven.
Yes, this is totally me. I love orange bird. It's so cute. Oh my god, I want this too. It's probably like 50. Oh my gosh, 70.
70. How much for the little, this thing right here?
I think it was like 40.
40?
Yeah, 39.
And like, what is it for though? Is you just put like a flower in it, I guess?
Yeah. You grow little orange birds in it. What are you talking about?
And in case you're wondering, this little orange bird kiosk is in the American Pavilion. Yep, I can't believe I made it out of the orange bird kiosk without spending any money on Nikki.
Oh yeah, so he says there's more along the way, and I think I'll hit one up on the way out.
You just might, dang it. So of the 4 festivals they have at Epcot, let's see if I can name them. The Holiday Festival, Food and Wine, Flower and Garden, and the Festival of the Arts. Which one is your favorite?
Festival of the Arts.
Me too. Where's this one rank? Flower and Garden.
Probably, honestly, second. I really like it, although my allergies are really bad right now, so I think I'm scaring everybody, but...
Oh, so this is a big day for you to be able to visit this.
Yes, exactly. That's why I wanted to come.
I'm glad I could do that for you, honey.
Okay, well, let's get you some snacks, maybe from Germany.
I did not plan on coming to Flower and Garden. I haven't done any research, but I do know I tend to like Germany for
I know,
food.
and you're passing it.
Let's see if they have what I really want here, though. And they do have my favorite, the warm cheese strudel. Yes, the warm cheese strudel, I think, is my favorite dessert at any of the festivals here at Epcot. My favorite. Hello, Nikki.
It is.
Nikki almost walked by one of her favorite things, the orchids. She loves this area this time of year. Good thing I know you better than you know yourself. You were gonna walk right by one of your favorite things, the orchids.
I know, I can't believe I almost did that. That's crazy. I swear, they're so beautiful.
I know, they're one of your favorites.
They are. Oh.
Since we're here at Epcot, I guess we should check on the construction of the Guardians of the Galaxy coaster. Is that a monorail coming? Is that a monorail? Oh, how exciting. A monorail shot. Let's check on the Guardians. I have to say, as far as rides here, Soarin' will get me into the park. I kind of like Test Track, but I will not come into the park because of Test Track. I will for Soarin', and most likely for the new Guardians coaster. Currently, Nikki is making a beeline to go get her pass holder magnet. And I'm assuming she's going to want my pass so that she can have 2 magnets. The Donald magnet is from now until April 19th. And then April 20th starts the Orange Bird magnet, which is the one Nikki really wants. So I'm sure she's going to send me out here another time to get that for her. And now I know the real reason you wanted to come here is to get those magnets. Am I right? Oh heck, since I'm at Flower and Garden, I guess I really should show one topiary, shouldn't I?
Yes, show my favorite.
In this case, it's 3 though. It's wood,
Woody.
Woody. What's Bo Peep and the sheep? Billy, Goat, and Gruff.
I think so. Oh, good job. Woody couldn't even remember that.
Nikki's working hard for my IG today, so she's working so hard. Please follow me on IG. I'll leave the address here on the screen, or maybe a link in the description. And now to continue around the world, back to the Skyliner. Because that's we parked over at Hollywood Studios. We gotta take that back, remember?
Yeah, it's relaxing though. It's not like it's bad.
Yeah, I guess so. One more trip on the Skyliner to get back to the car. And there you go, our last Disney day for a while,
Yeah.
but your first time ever on Mickey's Railway.
That's true, and I had a blast. It was a really fun day.
Stick with us, guys. We have more videos to come, don't worry.
Yeah.
And with that being said,
Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun.
thanks for watching Rick's Flix, and now it's time to relax. Okay, let's say thank you to all our patrons on Patreon, starting with the executive producers, Candace McBride, Randall Rittenberry, Hank Spalding, Andrew Bundle, U.S. Storm Shelters, Joshua Rush, Brian Jenkins, the Luke family, Hannah Jo Smithhart, Catherine and Daddy Dave, Wayne Fitzpatrick, Elizabeth McCletchney, Brett and Carla W., Michelle and Paul R., Jeff Howard, David Heiser, Matthew Sargent, Tom Elridge, the A-Team, Allie and AJ, Chad and Michelle, Kayla Cox, Warren and Don Kulo, Neil Whitaker, Anita and Jim, Harry Beadle, Angelina Twazer, Sonia Tucci, Nick Hahn and Brandon Anders. Also, a big thank you to our regular Patreon producers, Michelle, Shane Morrow, the Perez family, Desi, Adam Kazanecki, Armando Covelli, John Andine, Sherry South, TJ and Shannon, Will Antico, Brett and Mindy West, Ben Van Litt, Andreas Martinez, Craig Conley, Jane Conley, Shania Rassman, Chloe White, Daniel Oberbecker, the Spencer family, Jose Reyes, Hawthorne, Jeffrey and Mugga, Cameron Alder, Nicole Bergstein, Matt Weaver, Rob Racer 66, Ash Gauthier, Ricardo Justin, Josh Grabiak, Kiss My, John Gosby, and Stephen Brodude.